Hi learners, welcome to our another new session. Hope you all are doing very well. Now, today we are going to learn the name of 10 carnivores animals with their correct spellings and pronunciations. So, here we go. Number 1. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Number 2. Hyena. H-Y-E-N-A. Hyena. Number 3. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Number 4. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Number 5. Wolf. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Number 6. Cheetah. C-H-E-E-T-A-H. Cheetah. Number 7. Shark. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Number 8. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Number 9. Walrus. W-A-L-R-U-S. Walrus. Number 10. Seal. S-E-A-L. Seal. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more. If my videos seem helpful to you, share with others. Do subscribe my channel.